welcome to our channel, and today we have a watermelon and rubber bands, and it's pretty obvious what we're going to do. We're going to put rubber bands on the watermelon until it explodes. So before we get started, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications when we post a new video. Alright, let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. Mom, Dad, I have an idea. Maybe we can start small until we get to the grand finale, the water.
I think that's a good idea. I can find some stuff in the kitchen.
So we have to waste our groceries that we just bought to make dinner.
Whatever explodes, the good parts we're gonna keep and we're gonna eat.
All right, so wait, guys, what do you guys think that we should use to start small and then work our way up to the watermelon? So what do you guys
wait,
think?
let me go see in the kitchen. Let me see what we have first.
Okay.
Give some ideas.
So we gotta wait for mommy and wait until she comes back. You excited, Allie? What about you, Bubble? You guys look pretty cool with your sunglasses.
I got my goggles just in case it explodes on my face.
All right. Show your protective gear.
Yep.
Awesome.
Alright guys, my mom found a couple of bell peppers and a cantaloupe. So of course we're going to be starting with the bell peppers, then the cantaloupe, then the grand finale, the watermelon. So I chose the red bell pepper. And I chose the So we're going to dump this out and see how many rubber bands we can put on this to make it explode. Let's go. Look at this. It's a machete. It's a machete. Woo! It's a machete.
Machete? It's not a machete.
It's like spaghetti.
Yeah, it's like spaghetti.
No, it's like a machete. Alright.
All right, you guys start to put the rubber bands.
Maybe you gotta lean it on the other side. Papa, yours? Like that.
Or actually, you guys are forgetting one important thing.
What?
You guys have it right in front of you.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you guys got to protect your eyes. Allie, put... Oh, she done broke her sunglasses. It's okay, we can fix them.
I always do.
I know. We can fix them. All right. All right, Allie, go ahead. Start putting the rubber bands. Hurry up, guys. Let's see who can do it the fastest and who can explode it first. Make sure you guys put them right in the middle.
Well, you don't have to rush.
Yeah, I guess don't rush.
It's gonna be hard.
You guys are doing great. Look at all those rubber bands you guys have.
Got 3 on so far. I got 3 on.
You guys got 3 on. How much, Allie? How much you got, Allie?
3.
You got 3 as well? Okay.
They're about to pop.
Looks like it.
This one, it looks like it's about to
Is it getting tighter and tighter?
That looks like it's about to pop. Mine looks like it's not. Mine looks like it's just chilling.
It's gonna pop up. goodness, Allie, don't have that face your face. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Wait, watch if it's moving, Allie. Is it moving? Anthony, is hers moving?
Tighter?
Is hers moving?
I so.
You think so?
Oh my God, Allie, I think like 10 more will explode it.
Okay, keep adding, Allie.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, Allie, yours is about to go. Oh my God, you dropped it. Oh my God. Oh, looks like Pac-Man.
No.
Oh, you can bite
If
it.
you want, you can take a bite. We're not gonna waste any of this stuff, so.
Look at that, guys. All right, go sit back down. We're gonna go back to your brother. Let's see his progress.
Snap break.
Oh!
Oh, you got it.
Oh, this is a perfect rubber band ball. I'm saving this for later. For later. I'm saving this for later, definitely.
That's awesome. Oh. Ooh.
Awesome.
That's cool. All right, so now we gotta clean this up and we gotta do the cantaloupe.
Let's go.
Water break.
The cantaloupe. Poor cantaloupe. Hi guys. Alright guys, so we're done eating our bell peppers and let's get started to the cantaloupe. Thank you, Papa. And guys, also,
She said you're the best brother in the whole wide world.
guys, also, you guys can also call me Papa because that's my nickname. So, if you want, you can call me. TM work. TM work. What's TM work? Time ball.
Plantain doesn't know teamwork. Plantain doesn't know
Oh
teamwork.
no.
He says
Ow!
he says
Really?
teamwork.
Oh. That was flying.
The bee is saying, what is that? Bell pepper.
Trying to eat.
I'm
the bee's
tired.
trying to eat
Snack
the bell
break.
pepper.
Snack break. Oh,
Me too, snack.
TM work. Snack break.
Snack break. needs a haircut.
Trying to.
Well, that's gonna be on another video. I'm gonna do a full cut on him.
Yeah, I need a cut. I need
All right. Oh, it's raining. All right, it's a very hot day today, so we're just trying to cool you guys off.
Oh wow.
Not good.
This ain't no papaya.
Whoa.
So many rubber bands on this thing. It's exploding. Ah! I see the rubber band. Nothing. This is 26. Alright guys, my dad's helping us because it takes up so many rubber bands, so. How many rubber bands are you holding? Nice.
We're gonna do these fat bad boys. See if they work out or help out.
You hit me with that hand! Really? Really?
Anthony, sit there, baby.
Look at these bad boys. It's not gonna pop.
Ow, my hand!
Allie, you forgot your goggles. Baby, you want to put her goggles on?
Let's go at the school.
pretty big. This, look.
Good. Put the rubber band ball on top. So-
Okay, guys. So, unfortunately, we ran out of rubber bands, but we're gonna make a part 2 to this video of us specifically putting rubber bands on the watermelon and watching it explode. All right. But hold on. Before we leave, please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications when we post a new video. Bye.